Nigeria estimated to have lost over 132.8 billion naira in 2 months of Twitter ban, and that is roughly or approximately 366.88 million US dollars. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Jungle Entertainment. Here will give you hundreds of trending issues in Nigeria and Africa and the world at large. Please, for those that are new to this, do it with the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay updated with trending activities globally. Still talking about the Twitter ban, we've lost a lot of money to that social media platform, Twitter, because so many Nigerians have been making money via Twitter. But the government have banned Twitter for months now, and they are not ready to call back Twitter or to bring back Twitter to life in our beloved country, Nigeria. We all know you have to use a virtual private network to access the social media platform, Twitter, in the country. People have been complaining bitterly regarding that. What do you think? Should the government bring back Twitter to life in our beloved country, Nigeria? Please don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section below, because people have been benefiting. People have been using Twitter to transact their businesses, and the government decided to scrap or to ban Twitter indefinitely because they deleted a post from our beloved President Muhammadu Buhari. Whatever you say, please, you are right, but don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section below. Still talking about Twitter, we know there's this song Davido did with Nicki Minaj, Holy Ground, in his album A Better Time. That song is lit. And according to Davido, he said he has never met Nicki Minaj in his life. And he did a successful song with Nicki Minaj. That is lit. That is one of the benefits or the merits we get from social media. Let's just listen to Davido to hear what he has to say regarding the song Holy Ground featuring Nicki Minaj.
On your album.
Yes, man. Shout out to Nicki. Man.
Shout out to Miss Nicki. Like, how did that happen right there?
Funny with Nicki, I had never met her, like, before we did the record, like, even till date. It's crazy. I was on Instagram, and I think I just had a show. I was back home. I just had a show. So I made a record, so I just got off stage, and I was on my phone. I was like, yo. And the record was playing at the time, so I was like, yo, Nicki will kill this.
Woo!
And randomly, like, her feed just came on my Instagram.
Phone be listening to us?
And yeah, so I just DM'd her, and you know, she replied.
I love it. I love Nicki for
she
that.
Was just like, she was like, yo, send it. I was like, what?
I love it.
Like, yo, send it. And then, you know, I texted her the song, and then she sent it back in like 2 days.
I love it. See, that's what I love about Nicki. She's like a real fan, and she be paying attention. That is amazing right there.
I think
we've heard one of the hottest musicians we have in Nigeria and Africa as a continent. He's been doing superb jobs when it comes to dropping hit songs. He's dropping hit songs back to back. We've heard it from the desk of the singer Davido. And from what he said, the benefits of social media cannot be overemphasized. I mean, we have numerous benefits of using social media. I think, on my own take, I think the government should forgive Twitter and bring Twitter back to life in our beloved country, Nigeria, because we need Twitter to make money. You can imagine how much we've lost over the past 2 months because of the ban on Twitter. What are your thoughts on that anyway? Don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section below. Still on what is trending in our beloved country, Nigeria. What is trending right now is the Big Brother Nigeria. That is one of the hottest shows that keep people smiling from year to year. It's been giving people joy. That is one of the trending topics in Nigeria, Big Brother Nigeria. Everybody wants to know what is happening in the Big Brother house, because that's where people cash cruise, or cash fun. Regarding the Big Brother house, regarding what is happening in the Big Brother house, Arewa youths are asking the federal government to ban Big Brother Nigeria. Wow. They are asking the federal government to ban Big Brother Nigeria. What are your takes on that anyway? The Arewa Youth Advocacy Forum, AYCF, has called on the federal government to ban TV reality show Big Brother Nigeria. This year's show, which is tagged Shine Your Eye, is currently ongoing. The AYCF National President Yerima Shetima made a claim to newsmen on the 6th of August 2021, describing the show as a calamity. Shetima said Big Brother Nigeria should not be encouraged because it promotes immorality. His words, is a calamity for me. I never believed in Big Brother Nigeria, and I don't think it's fair because the show is an act of immorality. Such a spectacle should not be encouraged. I have often said that this show encourages immorality and that the Nigerian government should ban it. It should not be allowed to be broadcast in our country. You see, a lot of people are watching to see acts of immorality, these sexual things flaunting their nudity, and they made it look like a blue film. So that is to be discouraged. I urge true lovers of the country to join hands and draw the government's attention to the implications of this program, which should be discouraged. We've heard from the desk of Mr. Shetima that the Big Brother Naija show promotes immorality and that it should be scrapped out of the country. We should stop viewing Big Brother Naija. Wow. What are thoughts on that anyway? And according to what he said, that we should join hands to alert the government know the dangers of allowing the Big Brother Naija to be aired in the country. What are thoughts on that anyway? Do you really think it is making sense? Whatever you say, you are right. Don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section below. Let's analyze issues around us together, because this is our beloved country, Nigeria. Well, we've discussed a lot about our beloved country, Nigeria. Let us move on to one of the hottest countries in the world, the United States of America, and also one of the hottest states in the United States of America, New York City. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo on Tuesday afternoon, August 10, 2021, announced he will resign from office following multiple allegations of sexual harassment. Cuomo's decision to step down comes a week after the New York Attorney General's office released the finding of an independent investigation into sexual harassment allegations. The report found that Cuomo allegedly sexually harassed 11 women. Wow. Cuomo had denied all allegations against him, claiming he is innocent, but in recent weeks, he has faced pressure from the Democratic Party leadership and President Joe Biden to resign. The New York House of Reps are planning to begin impeachment proceedings against him this week. Cuomo, making the announcement on Tuesday, says the resignation will be effective in 14 days. Well, we've heard it from the desk of Mr. Andrew, the former, I'll use the word, the former governor of New York City, that he has tendered his resignation letter. Can that happen in our beloved country, Nigeria? I don't think this can happen in our beloved country, Nigeria, that a governor resigns because of sexual allegations against him. He will do everything to stay in power. That is Nigeria for you. But all the best to Governor Andrew. You are doing very well as a governor. But I mean, sexually harassing women, 11 women, that is a big one. That is a big mistake you made, man. That is a big one. All the best in your future endeavors, mister. Still talking about the United States of America, let's talk about our brother. Yeah, he's a black man, Floyd Mayweather. He's one of the biggest boxers. He's a living legend. He's one of the biggest boxers in the world right now because he is still alive and kicking. He is a good guy. I mean, he's been doing very well in this sport called boxing. He's been winning trophies, winning games back to back. There's one good thing about boxing. I love boxing. I mean, whether you win or lose, you make money. But winner makes more money than loser. But there's one good thing. Whether you win or you lose, you make money. Recently, Floyd Mayweather showed us his garage, a video of his garage. Come on, man. That is what everybody has been praying for. Just check out Floyd Mayweather's garage. This is lit. This is what most of us want in life. This garage is lit. Just check out Floyd Mayweather's garage.
We got options. I got about 100 cars. But right here, we like to call this the Sweet 16. Lambo, Ferrari, Lambo, Maybach, a Maybach, whatever you want to call it. Of course, the McLaren, the original McLaren. Bentley, Rolls, the Maybach truck or Maybach truck, whatever you want to call it. The big boy 4x4, I got options. I don't know what I want to take out tonight. I'm looking. You know what? Today's gonna be a light day. So you know what I'm gonna do? Make things nice and easy. I take this. we're gonna do today. I'm finna head to Girl Collection. I'll see you guys at my strip club.
Wow, that garage is lit. That garage is not for toddlers. It's not for upcomers. Floyd Mayweather, I know you've been doing well, and I'm one of your biggest fans. I just need one of those cars. Just help me, brother. I just need one of those cars. Just help me, brother. Just like John Gello, take this car. I'm one of your biggest fans in this country, Nigeria. I love watching your fights. I've been winning fights back to back. Big ups to you, Floyd Mayweather. Big ups to you. You've been doing very well. Thank you very much for watching Joggelis Entertainment. We hope you're entertained. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay updated with the time. Take care of yourself and do have a splendid day.